Okay, great. And now these bolts are tight, and final step is to remember tight these wheel bolts. Because sometimes, even me, I missed to tight these bolts, and one time when I was 10 years old boy, our car started to vibrate because this wheel was almost flying away because I missed to tight these central bolts. And this is the final part what you have to remember to do, and I will show next how it happens. We have to lift down this our car body and we take that crane and jack away. This is this job. In that way. Then next I take that crane away. Okay, now crane is down. Then I take this my tool. Torch in emergency case is that I install this my tool in just in this position, and now in left sides in here, in left sides look, and then I install my foot in here and I like jump carefully up and my full body in that way. And now I check that in my weight I test all of these bolts that they are not moving anymore. And after that we remove these our tools away in this way and that way, and now we can continue our job. And this was this information to you, and you can also use that my video when we use in this normal daily life. When we replace all of these four wheels, we need better jack, and jack must be professional way, and do not use this emergency jack when you change our car's wheels because it can be to collapse. Thank you.